I'm going to show you one of the latest Canva hacks in 2026. And this one lets you turn any element into a 3D style in just a few clicks. This feature is perfect if you want your designs to stand out and look more dynamic without using complicated software. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. What you want to do first is head over to your Canva account and on the left side panel, click on Create. From there, choose any canvas size you want to work with. Once your blank canvas opens, go to Elements and add any element or photo you want to use. After placing it on the canvas, select the element and click on Edit from the floating toolbar. When the Edit panel opens, scroll down until you see Style Match under the Magic Studio section. Click on it and then select See All to view more options. Scroll all the way down until you find the section for realistic styles. From there, click on 3D Art and Canva will instantly start transforming your subject into a three-dimensional style. This is perfect for thumbnails, social media content, book covers, and digital products that need more depth and visual impact. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. Now you know how to turn any element into a 3D style using Canva in just a few clicks. If you want more videos on Canva hacks, hidden updates, and creative design tricks, hit like and comment 3D so I know what to share next. And don't forget to join our free tutorial on how to sell Canva templates online, where we'll teach you the exact steps to create your own templates, set up a free online store, and market your designs effectively so you can start generating sales. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.